is, this one is for Sweet Guluva. Listen and listen carefully. She never ever left Shion. She's always been dating Shion. She lives with Shion in the house, and Ashes and Sweet Ashes know. She and Shion bought that house together. That's fact number one. Fact number two, you need to do a DNA test first. I don't blame you. I'm Ashley's mother. Because you were right all along. You are now vindicated, Sweet Guluva. You were right. Go ahead. Now, to Sweet Ashes, if you want me to talk some more, spit some more dirty stories. Right. So, Sweet Guluva, you have been vindicated. Because Sweet Ashes, they think they own Ashley, and they think they can rule me and run my life from 1 o'clock in the morning. Now, let me tell you something else. I got 8 more facts that I can give you all. So, keep coming on.
Yes, Magumama ka Ashley Ogle or what? Magumama ka Ashley, guys. She's doing too much now. She's doing too much. I do understand ukuthi there are things that hambilandas which is of Ashley, but guys, now she's doing too much. She is doing too much. I do not understand ukuthi why abazali mabacabana nabantwana babo or abantwana mabacabana nabazali babo they go on social media. What she's doing now, she knows that she's destroying ibrand umntanakhe, and she's doing this ngamabomu. I'm not saying Ashley right. I do know ukuthi Ashley wrong. Futhi ziningi Ashley izinto azenzile waportray ngathi uSweet Guluva umuntu wrong, while Sweet Guluva mhlambe bangasi umuntu wrong, and uSweet Guluva had all the right ukuthi afune iDNA because so kuyasho ukuthi Ashley has never ahlukane ne-boyfriend yakhe the yena bekase ex-boyfriend, but kuthiwa zange baze bahlukane. Even the house ahlala kuyo we owner with this Sean guy, but lento yenza umama ka Ashley is totally wrong. I'm against it. I don't see anything nice about this thing because I believe good if you nento wrong with Ashley, mele Ashley khuluma no Ashley nale boyfriend. If you nento wrong with boyfriend, makhuluma nento wrong. And if there's something afuna utshela uSweet Guluva pertaining umntwana, I think mele atshela uSweet Guluva. I do believe ukuthi una ama number ka Sweet Guluva, number abantu bakiwe Sweet Guluva. But la yenza on the socials, it's not right, guys. Ukugcikela isithunzi somntana yakhe phansi is not right. Ukhipha umntana yakhe isinkwe emlomeni, it's not right, because if uAshley uzohlala trender for all the wrong reasons, ubani ozochasha uAshley? Which brands abazosebenza noAshley? Yabona ukuthi ukhipha uAshley isinkwe emlomeni. Hayi guys, lo mama nje makakhule achile. It seems like naye unama expectations amaningi kule mali ka Ashley, and ufila ngathi le mali I think kumele bayishare no Ashley. Kanti ayikho kanjalo, abantu ezumzali ukhulisa umntana ukuthi akwazi ukuzimela, nothi uthi umntana ukhulisa umntana ukuthi umntana wakhe abuya azondla wena, ayihambi kanjalo. But bazali bami, that is all for now. Please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.
Fact is, this one is for Sweet Guluva. Listen and listen carefully. She never